In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the push-through edge of a display to connect to a nearby Mac or iPad feature on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Displays. And then over here on the right side, select the Advanced button. And where it says push through the edge of a display to connect to a nearby Mac or iPad, click and set that oval to toggle that off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.